Each of us has a story to share. And we all want to tell it in our own time, in our own way, our own style, our own language, our own expression. Here at ShiftCam, we've made clever, useful mobile gear for all types of creative. And SnapGrip is our latest creation for the everyday storyteller. Grip, snap, shoot. And share what you love as and when it happens. We've been building on our success with ProGrip to continue to provide the best shooting and charging experience. And this is what we've come up with. SnapGrip, a quick and compact magnetic grip, dock, and charger for your phone. By concentrating on the essential parts of a DSLR, we've kept the SnapGrip minimal, so your creativity can be your focus. Everything just snaps on. So let's start with how you hold your phone. It should be an extension of you. Comfortable, stable, and intuitive. We've taken the optimal design of a Pro camera and integrated a portable MagSafe charging solution. All in one pocket-friendly grip that just snaps on. And there's a twist. Shoot in portrait or landscape mode, whatever works best for you. It's smart. It's dynamic. We wanted to make capturing that moment quick and easy so you can focus on living it. And what's more, you can build and stack our other magnetic attachment systems. Introducing Snap Lite and Snap Pod, the perfect companion to SnapGrip. They work alone or in combination. Snap Light, a magnetic LED ring for hands-free lighting. Brighten up selfies or whatever's right there in front of you. Snap Pod. Get in frame with this quick release handle and tripod mount. Simply snap it on and shoot. Build and adapt for fuss-free, limitless creativity. Quick, strong, dynamic. But how strong are our magnets? Rest assured, our team has tried and tested hundreds of different magnets and designs to ensure optimal strength and reliability for our users' peace of mind. SnapGrip's minimalist design allows room for more accessory add-ons. Choose from our award-winning ShiftCam lenses and carry straps. The possibilities are endless, thanks to our universal fit for all smartphones with or without MagSafe. Grip, snap, shoot. Capture that moment with ShiftCam's SnapGrip.
Hello again to our friends here on Kickstarter. We are back with our number 7 crowdfunding campaign. 2.5 years ago, we set out to change how people will shoot with their phone. By integrating innovation seamlessly with the best possible experience, SnapGrip represents the best of everything we have learned so far. We are so proud of what the team has come up with. So why not back us and try it out for yourself? We really hope that you're going to love it as much as we do. Thank you.